everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a crochet wall hanging basket. You can place plants, yarn, crochet hooks, whatever you want. It's very durable and can hold a 5 to 6 inch potted artificial and or real plant. It's also quite stretchy and malleable. It's about 5 inches wide and 5 inches tall. It can stretch about an extra inch. For example, you can add a 6-inch pot inside. It curves slightly to form to the wall as flat as possible as well. Okay, let's get started. This weight for yarn I'm using is from Dishie. It's 100% cotton and it has 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of yarn. It's also really soft and smooth to work with. To begin, we will start with a magic circle. After you finish making your magic circle, then you're going to chain 2. Then we're going to yarn over and complete 8 half double crochets inside your magic circle. Tighten your magic circle. Slip stitch into the next stitch and then chain 2. Then you're going to yarn over and complete 2 half double crochets into each stitch. Once you reach the end of the row, slip stitch and chain 2. Complete 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. Then 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. Repeat 1 half double crochet into the next stitch and 2 half double crochets into the other until the end of the row. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets. You should end off with 1 half double crochet in the last stitch. Slip stitch and chain 2 again. Yarn over again and complete 1/2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then you're going to complete 2 half double crochets into the 3rd stitch. Repeat this pattern until the end of the row, 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, then 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. Once you're towards the end, you're going to end off with 1 half double crochet in the last 2 stitches. Slip stitch and chain 2. Now that we have the 6 rows completed, we will start half double crocheting for 14 rows. You can also place a marker here to gauge how many rows you have completed. Yarn over and begin half double crocheting into each stitch. At the end of your 14th row, you're going to slip stitch and chain 1. Flip your work and begin single crocheting for 3 rows, making sure to slip stitch and chain 1 at the end of each row. Here is how it should look after completing all of your rows. Cut off your working yarn, tie off, and secure your work. Next, you're going to flip the 3 single crochet rows down. It should begin to look like this. To secure the fold, sew part of the fold down towards the base. Now it's secured. For the hanging strap, begin with the slip knot. Then chain 27. Next, we're going to chain an extra 2 stitches. And start half double crocheting in the 3rd stitch and continue in each of the 27 stitches. At the end, cut, tie off, and secure to your basket. Here I just place it towards the back near the seam of the basket. You can place 2 markers where you want your handle to be. Then secure. Here's what the handle should look like after securing to the basket. Hide any loose ends and you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!